What's up? So y'all about to pack with me for my trip to Jamaica. I just got done doing some skincare, but I want to show y'all some of the things that I got, right? So this right here is where I keep all of my soaps and skincare stuff. I will put all that in here. All my jewelry will be in here. Some of this stuff I'm gonna add to and take away. And then this is my makeup bag right here. All my makeups, foundations will be in here. My brushes are in here. Gotta keep those in there. These are all of my clothes and stuff. I got these from Bag Smart. They are some compression bags, so I will be putting my stuff in there, and I'm gonna see if I can fit everything into this thing so I could just have her carry on. You feel me? So, and then I got this as well, because some stuff I will be transferring in here. Maybe like my edge control I'll put in here. And then I have like a feminine wash that I'll put in here. And that might be it. So yeah, y'all gonna pack with me. So let's go on ahead and get started. Okay, y'all, so I already got this stuff in here. This soap, I'm gonna replace it with a newer soap that I picked up. And I really hope y'all can see me. So this is all my stuff. I always take some Clorox wipes. I keep some in here, and then these I'm gonna put in my book bag, because I like to wipe down the plane and where I'm sitting and everything like that. This is some sunscreen that I'm going to be taking, so I'm gonna put that over in there. That's the sunscreen that I'm gonna use for my face. And then I got the Black Girl sunscreen that I'm gonna use for my body. So I'm gonna put those right next to each other. Then you gotta have your toothpaste. I've never had this one before to travel with. Before you go, okay? Make sure you take something like that if you're gonna be going to the bathroom. I got these, I'm gonna put these in my book bag, so that'll be over there. This, I normally wouldn't take this sunscreen, but I wanna put this spread on my back. Because I can't get my back by myself. So I'm gonna do that. My toothbrush, which I need to open up, and then all my medicines, I'm going to put those in a pile because I'm gonna have all my medicines together. I got this. It's a lint roller. I probably don't even really need a lint roller, but I got it. I'm gonna put that in my book bag too. This I got sent from Influencer. I'm gonna take this with me because I think I'm gonna spray myself down with this for the beach. It's like a little fragrance mist, and I spray it like on my hair, on my body, so I will be taking this. I don't know if I'm gonna take it out the packaging or not, I'm not sure. Baby wipes. Must have baby wipes. I don't flush them, but I have to take these with me. You know, if you know, you know. If you know, you know, okay? So I'll be taking these wipes. I'll be putting those in my book bag too. I got floss, and I got tongue cleaners, which I'm gonna refill these, so I'm gonna leave those right there for right now. Q-tips. I got mouthwash, Verse skincare, so I got a moisture cream to moisturize my face, an eye brightening gel, and then I got a brightening serum. These I'll be putting on at night. After I get out of the shower, I'll be using these because during the day, I'm only gonna be using sunscreen on my face. You feel me? Because, yeah. So I'll put those in there. First aid kit, just in case, if you know, you know. This I'll also be putting in my book bag as well. Little loofah. I always like to take a loofah with me. Bug spray. Y'all, you're gonna need some bug spray in Jamaica. Because I'm gonna tell y'all, those mosquitoes, they bite you and you don't know. You really do not know. I got some face wash. This one I really like by CeraVe because it removes makeup and it's hydrating. I have dry skin, so I like to use that. I don't even know. Can this fit in there? Perfect. First aid kit I'll put in my book bag. The stuff that I'm gonna keep but I'm not gonna put in there. I got this Tide whitening pen. Don't even know if I'll even need it. But a lot of this stuff, like y'all, I used to go out of town And I would throw stuff away, but I'm like, girl, why aren't you throwing this stuff away? You could use this for the next trip. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna put this in here too. This is my toothbrush. Now I always get a new toothbrush though. Always get a new toothbrush. I will be, and I like this one because it's covered. So I'll be packing that in here. More wipes. Okay, I bought a lot of these. So I'll put those in my book bag. Those medicines I'm gonna put in my book bag too. I'm gonna just leave those right here. This is my deodorant. Always make sure you take you some deodorant. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So after I'm done, it kind of looks like this. This is what it looks like, y'all. And then I like that you can just zip everything up. And then you basically just roll it up like that, and then I just put it in my book bag, my suitcase. I put this in my luggage just like this, and then you can secure it by snapping it closed. So I'll have that linked. Next, I'm gonna move on to my clothes. Okay, y'all, so this is all the jewelry that I will be taking. I got bracelets here, earrings here, my rings are here, and ankle bracelets, all that kind of thing. So I got everything in here, and I like this too. I will have this link below. Everything I have, I just pack it up. Hold on, I'm lying to y'all. Hold on, let me see. And then hold on. Oh gosh. So I literally just pack it like this, and then when I take it out, when I unpack, when I get to my room, I just hang this, literally hang this up in a closet, and I just take from stuff just like that. Now y'all, we moving on to makeup. So in here I got my hair care stuff to moisturize my scalp. I got foundation, blush, concealer, mascara, eyelash tool, eyelash glue. I have this in here, and then I also got more foundation because I know my complexion is gonna change. This is one of the perfumes that I'll be taking. I'll be taking probably 2 more, and then I don't know if y'all can see my eyeshadow in there. What is this? This is my finishing spray for my brows. I'm only taking 1 this time. This is highlighter, setting powder, and then in here, in this zipper here, I have my lashes. And then like I showed y'all earlier, these are my brushes, all my brushes. And I will be putting that back in there. And I just zip this up, and I'm gonna put this on in my suitcase. Also, some hair things I'm gonna be taking. Curl and Shine shampoo. These were like buy 3 get 1 free. Mousse for my hair, conditioner for my hair, and then also curl enhancing smoothie for my curls, because I have this is human hair braids from Eon Hair, human hair curls. So we want our curls to be popping on vacation. All right, so now I'm gonna put my undergarments in there. I don't really need to film that part, but I got my purses that I'm gonna take. I'm taking this. I'm taking this. So y'all, I'm gonna put everything in here. Taking a hat because my scalp is really exposed, and I got sunburned the other day at 6 Flags. So I will be taking a sun hat. This is my beach bag. I got this from Target back in 2022. Tabitha Brown beach bag when she had her collection there. So I had to snatch that on up, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I am working on some of my like hair care products, feminine wash. I put these all in here, and what I like about this is that it is reusable. So when you come back, you can want to clean it out, you can use this. Got a little spray bottle. I think it comes with 2 spray bottles. Come with these little jars. So I'm gonna transfer some of my edge control into her because I don't need to take no big thing to edge control. So I'll be using this, and yeah. And some of these, I won't be using all of these. So my hair care products I'm gonna put in here too. Alright, you guys, so I got everything packed. I'm gonna show y'all what everything look like when I'm done, but I wanted to show y'all my book bag that I like to take. I put my laptop in here, all of my travel documents I keep with me in here as well. Hair ties. I just take a whole big thing because, you know, these things, they get lost really easy. They really do. But so I like to take Lysol spray with me as well. And then I just got this little perfume, this Versace perfume. This is Bright Crystal. I got this hand sanitizer, but instead I'm gonna be taking this Touch Laying one. I put those on the side. One side I put all that stuff, and then another side I put my water bottle when I get a water bottle. And then I got my sunglasses. I'm going to be putting those in here. So when I pack for Jamaica, I like to take tips. I'm staying at an all-inclusive resort. I will be staying at Hyatt Zilara on the adult side. It's Hyatt Ziva, which is the family side, and then Hyatt Zilara, which is the other side. So I'm gonna take this. Everything like that I'm gonna put in here. So my book bag, y'all, I got this from Target years ago. And it has all these compartments, pockets. My passport is in this one here. And I'm gonna be taking a fanny pack, and I'm gonna just put everything in there because I don't want to take a purse. Like, I'm gonna be having purses for dinner and stuff, but for everything else I'm gonna have a fanny pack. I got this off of Amazon. It's a RFID wallet. So it has enough space for cash, ID, cards. So I'm gonna just take this with me, put that in there. My first aid kit will be going in here too. The wipes will be going in here, and then all my medicines I'm gonna keep in this bag. I'm gonna take them out the box, and then I'm gonna just put them in there just like that. Zyrtec allergy medicine. Not that my allergies ever bother me when I'm in Jamaica. Pepto-Bismol, you know, just in case. I'm gonna take them out so I can have more room. I got two. I'm gonna take those out, put those in there. My nasal spray, I'm gonna put this in there too. And then, so I'm lactose intolerant, but on vacation I'm going to enjoy myself. So I got this, it's a dairy supplement, and this is just so you can eat dairy. So I got that. Some lip balm, which this is gonna go in my fanny pack. My jewelry I will be putting, you know what, no I won't, because I got space. My jewelry going in my luggage. More of these. I like to wipe down where I'm gonna be sitting at, and then some Tums. So I got those too. But also, y'all, I want to show y'all something that I'm gonna be taking as well. And I think that's pretty much it, you guys. No, it's not. I also have this electronics bag for all of my chargers. I will be taking my battery charger for my camera. I'll be taking that, and my phone chargers. Whatever else is electronic, I'll be putting those in here and just keeping them. This is bag smart, and it kind of matches my compression packing cubes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me show you what I got for my suitcase. But yeah, all the items I will have linked below, and y'all, we will see y'all in Jamaica because I will be vlogging. You guys, so this is just what I have. I got a couple pads in here, you know, just in case. My other stuff, my wipes, I put everything in there, and I like this because I like the waterproof part. Shoes, bags, other stuff, my hats, my purses. I got a purse for each night, packing cube. So this is my other suitcase, and this is how we gonna be packed, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. See y'all.
Oh, you look so nice, girl. You're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through.